So my name is Laurens van Graafeiland. I'm CEO and founder of Sustonable. So stone surface building materials, they are very heavy and they use a lot of natural stone resources. And after lifetime, it creates an enormous amount of construction and demolition waste. And that will be downcycled. And this creates an enormous carbon footprint. So Sustonable uses post-consumer recycled plastic bottles. It's the binder material. We use 100 plastic bottles for every square meter produced. And we use recycled glass as raw materials. And so we have already achieved the content of more than 70% of recycled content materials. And it is thin and lightweight. So it's only 25% of the weight. We reduce natural stone resources by 80%. So in total, we also use much less energy to create our material. And if you can imagine, in the built environment world, there's a lot of materials being produced, and especially surface building materials. So if you look at our materials for making a countertop, you can make a very thick-looking detail countertop by using a V-groove technology, and it's just as strong as traditional stone worktops. It's one of the application areas. So besides the fact that we are the most sustainable stone-like surface material, it's also the easiest to handle. Actually, it's relatively easy to cut and to install and to transport. And as a third very important benefit, it is very affordable. It's one of the cheapest stone-like materials, surface materials available on the market. So there are many applications that you can think of. So we're starting with interior applications like furniture applications, so wall panels. Yeah, wall panels is a big application market. Kitchen countertops, kitchen worktops, but also vanity tops or retail displays. So we have a demonstration factory. It's a medium-scale factory now producing in Turkey, actually. It's ready, so we have invested over the last 10 years or so around 25 million euro in development, R&D work, setting up the demonstration fab. And now we're ready to scale even further to a first scale production line. Now our business model is we focus on project business, where we concentrate on, we sell via distributors, and we concentrate on project owners, on real estate developers, and also, of course, the decision, or let's say the advisors like architects and engineers. And wall panels and kitchen tops, we also sell directly to wall panel companies, kitchen tops integrators, and kitchen top manufacturers. So our organization that we have currently has brought us to the level where we are now. We've done a lot of work on setting up the demonstration, doing all the R&D. But we need to really expand the team, so that's why we want to expand our team, our management team, with the COO, CTO, finally also Chief Business Officer, that can also further build the organization to bring it much further to a global scale. That's why we are looking for investment, looking for 25 to 30 million in total for the next production line, the second production line, which will be the first commercial scale line. We want to set it up in Rotterdam, in the Netherlands. We want to do it in two tranches. First one, 3 to 5 million. We already got a regional investor that's looking to invest 2 million of that. So we're looking to match that, and we use that money to further finalize the commercial traction, to get the first demonstration line more capacity up to speed, and to also get ready for the to buy the production line and commission and install it, which we want to do in 2025. Then after that, we want to expand globally with more production capacity. One of the areas is obviously the US, but also Asia definitely is super interesting, as we already got quite some interest from, for example, Korea, but also from Japan. Please, so if you want to join us on this mission to create the most sustainable building materials and building market, please approach me and talk to me, and I'm looking forward to your questions.